Hey guys, here to speak is Rafa, bringing you another video. How to solve quadratic equation, algebra. What is a quadratic equation? ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. It is when I have an expression with exponential, coefficients a and b, unknown x, and equal sign. I chose that quite easy for you can understand. X squared plus 2x minus 3 equals 0. Where a equal, when you have nothing from the unknown, means that it is 1. A equal 1. B equals 2. And C equals minus 3. When B is not equal to 0 and C is not equal to 0, it is a complete equation. Complete equation. When B equals 0 or C equals 0, it is an incomplete equation. Incomplete equation. Well, B is not equal to 0 and C is not equal to 0. B equals 2 and C equals minus 3. In case it is a complete equation. How do I solve this equation? I use Bhaskara formula. X equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c divided by 2 times a. And now I will replace the letters by numbers. X equals minus 2 plus or minus square root of b squared 2 squared minus 4 times a equals 1 times c equals minus 3 divided by 2 times 1. Well, x equals minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared 4. When we multiply a negative and a positive, make a negative. Minus 4 times 1, 4 times minus 3 divided by 2 times 1, 2. X equals minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4. When we multiply two negatives, make a positive. Plus 4 times 3, 12 divided by 2. X equals minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 plus 12, 16 divided by 2. X equals minus 2 plus or minus square root of 16, 4 divided by 2. Root 1, root 2. Minus 2 plus 4 divided by 2 equals, well, sum of a negative and a positive number. Keep the sign of the large number and subtract. Plus 4 minus 2, 2 divided by 2 equals, when we divide two positives, make a positive. 2 divided by 2, 1. Minus 2 minus 4 divided by 2 equals, well, same sign. Add the numbers and keep the same sign. Minus 4 plus 2, 6 divided by 2 equal, when we divide a negative and a positive, make a negative. Minus 6 divided by 2, 3. Solution. Minus 3 and 1. And good guys, today this video was, I hope helped you, inspired. If you like, leave a like, see the channel, share, beauty, I spoken one. Thanks for watching, bye!